Hi, in this video we're going to talk about midpoints. So let's go ahead and get started. So what do we have for you today? We have the following example. Find the midpoint of each line segment. Okay, and the example looks like this. Okay, so what they want is to find the middle point of this line segment. Okay, so basically what you're doing is you can think about it like averaging the x values from here to here and the y values from here to here. And there's a formula called the midpoint formula where it has x sub 1 plus x sub 2. You add the x's divided by 2. And then you do the same thing with the y's. Okay? So the first thing I tell my students is when they have a problem like this is to write down the coordinates for this point. In this case we have -4 and -2. And then on this one we have 2 and 5, and just label it. So I'm gonna call this one my first point and this one my second. It doesn't matter which one you call first or second. So I'm just gonna call this one my first point. That's why it has a little one right here for the subscript, and then 2 and 2. Okay, so what you want to do first is automatically your first step is go ahead and write down a plus on the top and then divide it by 2, comma, and then the same thing for the other one, plus and a 2. And now all you're gonna do is see how the x's are on the top right here. Well, we have -4 and 2, so I'm gonna put it right here, -4 and 2. Now we're gonna do the same thing with the y values. Okay, this one right here is -2 and 5, so -2 and 5. Now let's go ahead and simplify that one. So we get -2 on the top because you're subtracting, divided by 2. And then we have subtracting again. So we have 3 over 2. Now this one we can reduce, and we get -1, comma, and you can leave it as a fraction, or if your teacher asks you to write it down as a decimal, that will be equal to 1.5. And there you have your point. This point is a midpoint of this segment, so it will be -1, so here, and then 1 and 1/2, so we're looking about right here. Okay, so hopefully that helps, and I'll see you next time.